are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make date bread. Date bread is a tea bread that is super sweet, dense and moist. It is also a quick bread. Let me show you how it is made. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Heat up about a cup of water and bring it to a boil. For this recipe, I'm using major dates. They are large, sweet and soft. Feel free to use other variety of dates. I am using 15 dates, which will produce 1.5 cups of chopped dates. If your dates are not pitted like mine, you have to remove the seeds before cutting them. But if they are pitted, you can skip this part. When I'm done, I'm gonna chop them into smaller pieces. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm gonna measure it to make sure I have 1.5 cups. If not, that means I will have to chop some more. As you can see, I have 1.5 cups. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of chopped dates, a tablespoon of butter, and 3/4 cup of hot boiling water. Stir to combine, then set it aside until it cools down. In another bowl, add a cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna sift and whisk to combine. When I'm done whisking, I'm gonna try to make a hole in the middle. Then set it aside and prepare the pan. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, then line it with parchment paper. When I'm done, I'm also gonna set it aside. You can do this at the beginning before you start mixing anything. Back to the wet ingredients. It is no longer hot, it is lukewarm and ready for the other ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of molasses. Adding molasses gives it a deep color and flavor. It is also a little bit sweet. When I'm done, I'm gonna mix to combine. As you can see, the mixture is very thick and deep in color. Last but not the least, I'm gonna add 2 large eggs. I'm gonna quickly whisk the eggs before adding it to the mixture. Mix to combine. When I'm done, I'm gonna pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix to combine. Let me use this opportunity to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm gonna pour the batter into the pan and bake for about 55 to 60 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. "50 minutes later, it is ready. As you can see, it came out clean. I am not gonna remove the bread from the pan right away. I'm gonna set it on the rack and let it cool for about 10 minutes before taking it out of the pan. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna take it out of the pan and set it on the rack to continue cooling. Look at this beauty. It is very sweet, moist, dense. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is very caloric. By the time you start eating it, you can't get enough of it. You want to eat more and more. Unfortunately, it's gonna show up in your waistline. But that does not mean that it is not nutritious. The nutrients from Date is very significant. It is high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and other vitamins and minerals. So let us take a closer look at what we made. Like I said earlier, it is beautifully delicious, moist, and dense. And please do not blame me if you cannot get enough of it, because it is sinfully delicious. Now that you know how to make date bread, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna love it because it is very delicious and nutritious. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.